This is Brother Barnes. We are doing a mock practical on the ear so that we can do well on a quiz or a regular practical on this topic. Remember that I have a video on YouTube that corresponds to this. So if you typed in ear model and Darrell Barnes, you could find an ear model video that would be the tutorial for this. What I'm asking you to do right now is number 4, 5, and 6 in the comments below the video. Tell me the science names for these common names I'm about to give you. 4 is the eardrum. What is the scientific name? 5 is a tiny ear bone ossicle that lies directly on the eardrum. It is sometimes called the hammer. And then there's another one that looks like an anvil. It's an old West implement that was used to pound out horseshoes and do iron crafting. And I say Old West, but it's thousands of years probably, I'm guessing. I don't know. Medieval. So tell me the science names for the eardrum, the hammer, and the anvil in the comments below. The answers as I see them are in a link in the video description.